Hey guys, what's up? It's me here again, and show you my updated versions of my Lego brush trucks. Here, we'll start with brush 1. Over down. Well, haven't updated the front actual brush truck, but I updated the trailer. Put a hard suction hose on it, little pumper thing on it, and I put these little guardrail things on it. Oh, sorry, this is my airsoft gun. And let's move on to brush 2. I only updated the back of it, so it's just like an extra supply thing. There's a flashlight, a fire extinguisher, and an axe. And brush 3, I just put a fire extinguisher on it. And then brush 4, I just put a crowbar in the back of it. The 2 I actually really updated is this one and this one. These 2 only had one thing added. Nothing much really with them. For the same old truck, I guess. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.